And why the PDC is important is that basically, so it helps with all of the operations that need to run in order to authorize and run the data exchanges in the context of the data space. So what this means is when you are going to be creating your offer, creating your contracts with others, you need to have a way then in the data space protocols that exchange data to authorize these exchanges by verifying the contracts. And basically the connector is here to help you do that automatically. So you don't have to implement yourself all of the APIs, all of the interactions with individual components of the catalog, individual components of the contract, etc. So the connector is here to do that. And a couple of things you need to understand on the connector is, first of all, it's a component that you install where you want on your IT infrastructure. So it can be on-premise, it can be on the cloud. That it's really dependent on what you choose, but it's yours to use and yours to decide what you do with it. So it needs to be able to communicate with your applications. It needs to be able to communicate with others through internet. So it needs to be publicly accessible. And it needs to be accessible to the Visions Trust ecosystem, so the core Prometheus X services, in order to basically interact with it and authorize all of these operations.